Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with MLS PIN using Paragon. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with MLS PIN using Paragon, begin by navigating to the Paragon login page. Once there, enter your MLS PIN username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field below your username. Click on the login button to proceed. If this is your first time logging in, you may be prompted to agree to the terms of service. Read through the terms carefully and click on Accept to continue. If you encounter a message indicating that your account needs verification, follow the prompts to authenticate your identity. This may include answering security questions or confirming your email address. After successfully verifying your account, you will be redirected to the Paragon dashboard. Once you reach the dashboard, familiarize yourself with the layout and available tools. If you need to access your listings, locate the Listings tab on the top navigation menu. Click on the Listings tab to view all available properties associated with your account. To search for a specific listing, enter the relevant criteria into the search bar. You can filter by various factors such as location, price range, and property type. Once you have set your criteria, press the search button. The listings that match your criteria will be displayed on the screen. Click on any listing to view detailed information. If you need to make changes to your listings, select the Edit option next to the desired property. Make your adjustments and remember to save your changes before exiting. To log out, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Logout from the drop-down menu. Keep your login details secure to maintain the integrity of your MLS PIN account. By following these steps, you will successfully authenticate with MLS PIN using Paragon. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.